Hi everyone, hope you guys are well. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video with you guys and some first impressions as well. So let's see what I have. So I ordered this from Walmart.com, and it is my second product by Pureaty Naturals that I am trying. They gifted me the biotin lash serum to try, and so far I've been very happy with that, so I decided to try something else. Let's see what it is. So I think I can just pop it open from right here maybe. Not to get up and get scissors or anything. Perfect. Right. So here we have Pureaty Naturals eye cream. I love the packaging, it's really clean. It says that it diminishes the appearance of puffy eyes and dark circles. The three main ingredients are hyaluronic acid, cucumber extracts, and caffeine. So sounds good. I see avocado in here as well, shea butter. So sounds good. I love that they use a lot of natural ingredients in their products. Just reading the box here, it says, "We are Pureaty. We are a makeup-free beauty brand for women and men of all backgrounds. We created a line of skin and hair care products formulated especially for you. Pureaty is for those who want to feel more confident in their own skin. Be confident, be beautiful, be you." And I also so this is also cruelty-free as well. And just to let you guys know, this eye cream is only like $15 on Walmart.com, and you get free shipping right now, and it doesn't take long to be delivered. I'm not sure what it would be with Amazon. So I'm just gonna open the box and see. Wow, it's so pretty. So you get 1 ounce. So that's actually a good amount for an eye cream. I think most eye creams are like ½ ounce. I am just going to take off the plastic here. Yeah, it's really pretty. I'm just really happy with their packaging. So I want to open it up and feel it and smell it, but I am just going to go wash my hands real quick before I do that. So be right back. Okay, I'm back. We are about to open the eye cream from Pureaty Naturals. Let's see what we got. I'll take off the sealant. Oh, it's so pretty. Look how pretty. It's blue. I love it. It smells really good. It smells almost like green, like you can definitely smell the cucumber, maybe the avocado too. That's what it, maybe even like green tea. To me, it just smells green. It smells really lovely. So I just want to feel a little bit on the back of my hand for now. It's pretty lightweight. It has like a nice silky texture to it, and it is absorbing pretty quickly, which I like in a cream, but I also like it to be emollient as well. It feels pretty good. I know you guys can't see, but it definitely makes my hand look smoother for the moment. It smells so nice. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to start incorporating this into my skincare routine tonight. And what I'm gonna do is pop on here again in a couple weeks and give you guys a little more feedback on how the product is actually around my eye area, if I see a difference, you know, if it's really hydrating, which is really important to me. I like products that when I wake up in the morning, my skin still feels hydrated and moist, and it feels softer than it did the night before. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna pop this back on here, show you guys one more time. And yeah, like I said, so far so good for the Pureaty Naturals eye cream. I'm really excited to try it out.